We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and unbiased look at the Frost Buddy Thicc Buddy, 40 ounces stainless steel vacuum insulated tumbler with lid and straw for water, travel mug cup holder friendly in black leopard. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to this product is in the description. Using it helps support the channel. The Frost Buddy Thicc Buddy stands out in the crowded world of insulated tumblers with its bold design, robust construction, and a suite of features aimed at both convenience and performance. At its core, this tumbler is constructed from premium 18/8 stainless steel, a material known for its strength, durability, and resistance to corrosion. This ensures longevity and makes the tumbler suitable for daily use, whether at home, work, or on the go. Stainless steel also has the advantage of not retaining flavors or odors, which means you can switch between beverages without worrying about lingering tastes. One of the most praised aspects of the Thicc Buddy is its double wall insulation technology. This design creates an airtight seal between the inner and outer walls, significantly enhancing the tumbler's ability to maintain the temperature of your beverage for extended periods. Users consistently report that cold drinks stay chilled for hours and, in some cases, ice remains unmelted for over 24 hours. Hot drinks also retain their warmth, making this tumbler a versatile companion year-round. The insulation performance is a key selling point, especially for those who need their drinks to stay at the right temperature throughout a busy day. The flip lid feature is another highlight, designed to prevent spills and leakage. This is especially important for users who commute, travel, or simply want to avoid accidents at their desk or bedside. The tight seal of the lid ensures that even if the tumbler is tilted or turned upside down, the contents remain secure. This spill-resistant design adds a layer of practicality that appeals to parents, commuters, and anyone with an active lifestyle. The included straw further enhances usability, making it easy to sip on the go without having to unscrew or remove the lid. A thoughtful addition to the Thicc Buddy is its cup holder-friendly design. Many large tumblers struggle to fit in standard vehicle cup holders, but this model is specifically engineered to be portable and convenient. Its sleek, round shape and compact base allow it to fit in most cup holders, making it ideal for road trips, daily commutes, or errands around town. Users note that the tumbler's size and shape also make it easy to store in backpacks, purses, or gym bags, further increasing its versatility. The exterior of the tumbler features a soft, skid-proof rubber grip on the bottom. This detail is frequently mentioned in user reviews as a standout feature. The rubber base prevents the tumbler from scratching surfaces or making loud noises when set down, which is appreciated in quiet environments like offices or home workspaces. Unlike some competitors, which require the purchase of separate rubber bottoms, the Thicc Buddy includes this feature as standard, adding value and convenience. A unique aspect of the Thicc Buddy is its patent-pending design, which includes a slot on the handle for holding chapstick or small items. While some users find this feature extremely handy, using it for lip balm, pens, or even small accessories, others consider it unnecessary, especially if they do not use chapstick regularly. The versatility of this slot is appreciated by those who find creative uses for it, such as holding a pen for walks or outdoor activities. Durability is a recurring theme in user feedback. Many owners report that the tumbler withstands frequent knocks and drops, often at the hands of children, without suffering dents or significant scratches. Fine scratches may appear with heavy use, but these are generally minor and do not affect the finish or performance. The matte finish, particularly in colors like green and gold, receives positive remarks for its aesthetic appeal and resistance to visible wear. The Thicc Buddy is also covered by a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind for buyers. This warranty underscores the brand's confidence in its product and offers reassurance against manufacturing defects or premature wear. However, experiences with customer service are mixed. Some users report prompt and helpful responses, especially when dealing with shipping issues or missing components. Others express frustration over the inability to purchase replacement parts, such as silicone stoppers or specific lid components, which can render the tumbler less functional if lost or damaged. This aspect is an area where Frost Buddy could improve, as competitors like Brewmate and Simple Modern are noted for more accommodating customer service and easier access to replacement parts. Assembly and cleaning are important considerations for any reusable tumbler. The Thicc Buddy's lid can be somewhat challenging to disassemble for thorough washing, and reassembly may require patience. Nonetheless, most users find it manageable with practice. The tumbler is recommended for hand wash only, which is typical for insulated stainless steel products to preserve the integrity of the vacuum seal and exterior finish. Some users wish for a more straightforward cleaning process, but this is a common trade-off for advanced insulation and leak-proof features. Portability is further enhanced by the availability of compatible carriers. Models that wrap through the handle are preferred, as silicone rings and straps can slip off, especially when the tumbler is full or in motion. The tumbler's weight, at around 1 pound, is substantial but manageable, contributing to its sturdy feel without being overly cumbersome. In terms of performance, the Thicc Buddy consistently delivers on its promise of keeping drinks at the desired temperature for extended periods. Users who prefer cold water without ice report satisfaction with the tumbler's ability to maintain a refreshing chill. Those who do use ice often find that it remains intact for a full day or longer, even in warm environments. The same goes for hot beverages, which stay warm for hours, making the tumbler suitable for coffee, tea, or soups. The design is both functional and visually appealing. The black leopard colorway, along with other available finishes, receives high marks for style and uniqueness. The matte surface resists fingerprints and minor blemishes, maintaining a clean look even with frequent handling. The overall aesthetic is modern and attractive, appealing to a wide range of users, from students to professionals to outdoor enthusiasts. Despite its many strengths, the Thicc Buddy is not without drawbacks. Some users are disappointed by missing components upon delivery, such as the silicone to-go cup lid, and express frustration when these issues are not promptly resolved. The inability to purchase replacement parts, particularly for small but essential components, is a recurring complaint. Additionally, the chapstick slot and dangling attachments are not universally loved, with some users finding them unnecessary or even inconvenient, especially when they interfere with cup holder compatibility. Another minor issue is the lack of a convenient way to store or attach extra lids. Users who switch between the solid lid and the straw lid wish for a built-in solution to keep the unused lid handy, such as a clip or attachment point on the handle. This would enhance the tumbler's versatility and reduce the risk of losing components. Comparisons to other popular brands are inevitable. Some users prefer Frost Buddy over competitors like Stanley due to features like the rubberized bottom and the unique handle design. Others find that brands like Brewmate or Simple Modern offer better customer support or more readily available replacement parts. Ultimately, the choice often comes down to personal preference and which features matter most to the individual user. In summary, the Frost Buddy Thicc Buddy 40 ounces stainless steel vacuum insulated tumbler is a well-designed, durable, and highly functional product that excels at keeping beverages hot or cold for extended periods. Its cup holder friendly shape, spill-resistant lid, and skid-proof base make it a practical choice for travel, work, and everyday use. The unique handle slot adds a touch of versatility, though it may not appeal to everyone. While customer service and replacement part availability could be improved, the tumbler's overall performance and value make it a strong contender in the insulated drinkware market. If you are searching for a reliable, stylish, and effective tumbler, the Thicc Buddy is worth considering. Don't forget to check the link in the description to support the channel, and if you own this tumbler, please leave your review in the comments to help others make the best choice.